Let us solve one problem from the JEST Physics 2024 paper. The problem states that what is the value of the integral 0 to infinity dx by 1 plus x cube, right? So using the standard integral, we know that zero to infinity dx by 1 plus x to the power n equal to pi n sine pi by n, right? This is from the standard result. So we, for n, when n equal to 3, the integral can be written as 0 to infinity dx 1 plus x cube. So we'll have pi into 3 into sine pi by 3. So sine pi by 3, we know it is root over 3 by 2. So we can write 2 pi by root over 3 by 3, right? So finally we have arrived to our result. So the integral 0 to infinity dx 1 plus x cube equal to 2 pi by 3 into root 3. So this is our expected result, and this matches with the option A of our given problem. So the option A is our correct answer. So thanks a lot.